one first. So at mathgames.com, this was along with your homework supposed to be because it will introduce you with that games. But since we were not able to finish that, let's do that today. Because ever since last year, we've tried inquiry-based learning and project-based learning for the students. And we've noticed a huge improvement on our learners, even though their English ability isn't very strong, but they were able to understand more when they play games. It goes with the same principle as a person using TikTok or using social media. Nobody learns those by classroom, right? But a person's able to adapt and they are able to use those platforms even though they didn't learn it in the classroom. So that actually goes with this activity. Even though we don't teach them much, because they have the prior fundamentals about math, they're able to answer on their own. That actually encourages us to give this activity every now and then. And one parent last year actually asked if we could integrate more games into our classroom, into our lessons. And I said, wow, that's a great idea. That's why it inspired me more to give more activities such as these. In what way? I think that in a huge way, because I learned math while watching my brother play computer games. He actually inspired me so much to play computer and to do well in math. That's why in my family, we're really good at math and science. But sports, no, not so well. Yeah. What I believe that these activities would actually enhance them way better than how we teach in traditional teaching. In traditional teaching, the students are sitting down, looking at the teacher, looking up, writing down on their notebook. Sometimes they don't even write on their notebooks because they feel so bored and they feel so lazy to do it. So by these activities, we grab their attention, we grab their interest. And I'm actually looking at some of my students who doesn't pay attention. Now, they're cooperating so much. So I believe that this would encourage them and improve them so much more. Yes, I have with our grade 8 students who started this kind of program first. With what we see in their studies, we see that they can do math equations quickly, they understand problems quicker, and they can solve it quicker. That's why we think that it is very effective. And what I can see here currently with our students in this class, we can see that they are more active, they are trying their best to answer, and they can see the result quickly because it will tell you if it's correct or incorrect. So they would react badly when they say, oh, it's incorrect, I'm gonna try it better. So we can see that they're enjoying learning and they are progressing well.
Okay, thank you so much, teacher.
Thank you as well, teacher.
Yes, teacher, I'm in grade 7A. While learning and it makes us enjoyable and learning great.
Yes, it's very enjoyable and fun. I do enjoy it. It helps students learn more about math and improve their math skills, such as subtracting or multiplying or dividing.
Way better than normal and then make us feel bored in class sometimes.
This kind of tool games has been helping kids nowadays to learn more about math.
I want to do it more, and I think faster for me.
Sometimes kids don't usually pay attention to teachers when they're explaining, but when they are playing games, they feel like it's gonna be more fun because they know that when it's at the ending, they will have a good prize after playing the game. So they would try to finish the game and do the game correctly. But when the teacher is explaining, they usually don't care and they just do whatever the teacher says but don't care at all.
Learning to a whiteboard will make a teacher had a hard time trying to tell the student to be quiet. But learning on computer can sometimes be hard for teacher, but sometimes can be easy for teacher.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, teacher.